Tonight, the rate of new COVID-19 infections has hit another high of 16.3%, with scientists now predicting that the numbers might be rising even further as we head towards Christmas. The detection of Omicron variant could also see a sharp increase in COVID-19 cases, even though reports have shown that Omicron is less severe compared to the Delta variant. Our health and science reporter Beldine Walyaula has more on this.
A report released by South African Medical Research Council and Discovery Health shows that Pfizer vaccine is less effective against the Omicron variant. People who had received 2 doses of the Pfizer shot had a 70% chance of avoiding hospitalization, down from 93% during the previous wave of Delta infections. Children are also at a 20% risk of suffering from Omicron variant, with the low admission rate compared to the previous COVID-19 strains. Common symptoms linked to Omicron include nasal congestion, dry cough, muscle pain, lower backache, scratchy sore throat, and mild illness. Its incubation period lasts between 3 to 4 days. Those hospitalized with this type of variant have presented less respiratory distress, with lower ICU admissions compared to the previous waves. Unlike the Delta, Omicron variant patients have so far not reported a loss of taste nor smell. The World Health Organization has warned countries not to drop their guards as the variant spreads.
77 countries have now reported cases of Omicron, and the reality is that Omicron is probably in most countries, even if it hasn't been detected yet. Omicron is spreading at a rate we have not seen with any previous variant.
COVID-19 cases in the country has been on an upward trajectory, with the positivity rate now standing at 16.3% after 943 people tested positive for the disease from 5,787 samples which were tested.
Then there is complacency. People felt when our curve had really gone down and we had positivity of 0.6, they felt this thing is gone anyway. We don't need to worry.
Yeah.
But now with Omicron, it has told us, I'm still here, you will not cheat me. So for us, that was a warning, and we should not drop the guard.
Even with the emergence of the new variant, the government says vaccination remains the most important intervention.
Breakthrough infections are being seen among the vaccinated with Omicron. And that is why you are hearing it may be less effective, but doesn't mean it is not effective at all. So it still offers some protection and therefore still an important preventive tool that we must use.
The Ministry of Health is also considering to start offering booster shots to Kenyans.
Looking at the changing scenario of the pandemic and with the Omicron coming and with evidence of waning immunity, especially after 6 months, the task force that I lead has requested the technical advisory group that supports the ministry in all matters vaccination to give us some specific guidelines on how we introduce booster shots.
Beldine Walyaula, KTN News.
Still on health matters, a 2-day high-level consultative forum by the Council of Governors